Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up, and today is June 1st, which is the first day of Caribbean Heritage Month, and in celebration of Caribbean Heritage, you guys know I am Jamaican. We are hosting year 5 of CaribAThon, which I will be co-hosting with Karen from Run Rights Read, and in celebration we decided to pick the group read is from an author that is from Haiti. This is a book I've read previously about a month ago, but I thought it would be a great book to read as a group, and that is The Village Weaver by Miriam J.A. Chancey. Now this is a book that is about two young girls who had this special bond, but a secret came along and wrecked that, and you're following them as a kid to an adult and different stages of their life living in Haiti and when they were living abroad. It is such a good story that I feel like it really represents Haiti in so many different ways, different aspects that I did not know or even enlighten about. But I think it would be great to read it as a group, different perspective, different people with different opinion, that we can actually dissect this book even more. So if you have read this book, read it again with me. If you've never read this book, pick it up. It is available on every platform you can think of, and I look forward to sharing my thoughts with you guys on this book. Now, as far as my channel, of course, every year I read other books dedicated to the Caribbean, different genre, and I also share books that I've never read in terms of having you be able to pick these books up and share my love for Caribbean literature. So see you guys in the next one, and let me know if you plan on joining in this book, and I will see you guys in the next one.